This is a video to show you our final final product of Pong that we made. In the other video, I have about 8 hours of footage that I could edit, but that's a lot of hours, so I'll probably do that later when I'm not doing like stuff like our website, which is Zach right now is on. Looking at it now. Yeah, so when we have the website, yeah, you'll be able to get this game. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We changed the font of the top. Hold on a sec, I need to change something. Let me get rid of that piece of code. So now you can play both. I was just trying to test out like moving the balls y-axis or whatever would follow, well, the bat would follow the ball's y-axis, so then it would kind of like hit it like you're playing against a computer type thing, but it's kind of impossible to beat a computer because it's like exactly to detail type things. So yeah, so that was just anything. There's a new background made by Zach. A ball. Okay, a ball that we did ages ago in another video. I think it's one of the rough times of Treble games, which I'll probably delete. But it had us loading that ball up, and we're like amazed. We were so amazed and everything because we finally got to load up. Because before, and that was like the first time we worked on a Windows game. Because before we were just working on console applications like text adventure type things. And but yeah, so then we finally got that ball to be on the screen type thing that works. And there was originally no TG, but if you look really closely, or you can't really look closely, but there's a TG in the middle of the ball, and it's not very clear, but yeah, there's like one main glitch, which is like it hits the bottom or the top, and it makes it just comes through, but it's actually pretty cool sometimes. Like I guess you could say I don't know, but it's actually pretty cool at times. Like it can save you and it can be bad for you. So because this game's actually Pong, it's easy, and if you accidentally get that, normally it would go straight past you, but it would go through your bat and come out correctly, and sometimes it might not come out, and it can break the ice and stuff. But yeah, that's it there. That once we got the website, we're gonna try put it on the website thing. So then even though there's loads of Pong, you can play Pong any other place, but you can't. Well, you can like play it by yourself, but you can put this on a USB and take it anywhere, and then you don't need to have Visual C Sharp 2010 Express or the XNA framework type thing. You just have to run up this setup. It downloads a folder and from the internet, and I'm pretty sure that's like the .NET framework or something like that. And then you'll be able to play it straight away and anywhere you like. And you don't have to. You install it basically, so you can go around to loads of different computers, and then have it on. So yeah. Yeah, so you'll be able to do that. While with that other video that weekend, I found this really good really good website. I just do it like this, so I don't have to keep opening up separately. But it's basically because there's so many tutorials on the 3.1, but not loads on 4.0. So yeah. So so you can change your code, and that's how I got. It's actually really helpful. I thought it would be pretty useless, but it's actually got loads and loads of information on how to change stuff, and gives an example of a 3.1 and how to change it to a 4.0. So yeah, that's it there. Oh yeah. Also we use Paint we use GIMP too to make the background. And the middle was used like with the font making thing, whatever. The bars are made in GIMP, and then all the resizing of all the balls and everything, and like deleting because the ball would normally be a square. Well, it actually is a square, but it's got like invisible outside the edges, so it looks like a normal ball, but normally it would be just a square with white like edges type thing, if you know what I mean. But so we deleted that up with paint.net. What else? Oh yeah, I will hopefully make a other game that would go on the website. Well, we haven't even tested the Pong website on the thing, but we're pretty sure it would work. But yeah, there'll be another game being made that would be pretty basic. It'll just be like a shooting type thing, and yeah. So look forward. Well, anyone look forward to that. But yeah. Oh yeah. And we made sound. I don't know if you can hear it, but probably can. It's like a bouncing noise from the walls, and then like a laser type thing when it hits the bat. Because it was originally like the bounce was the same as bouncing off the bat, but we decided to make it a different noise. And then if you score a goal, it makes a hurrah, like squeaky hurrah noise type thing. But yeah, so we use this to like get the sounds type thing, and then like make it like lower decibel lower like I don't know what they're called, but decibels, whatever, lower sound type quality thing, and louder, so it's not overpowering and equal and stuff. And also, today we made our first dollar. Yes, our first dollar, because someone was like, "Oh, cool, a Pong game." So, and I'm like, he goes, "I'll give you $1," and I was like, "Okay," but it'll come free. But he still insisted, so that's good. And so yeah. Anyway, so it'll be coming free soon, unless there's some sort of like difficulty on the website thing, but I'm pretty sure hopefully there won't be. But yeah, so look forward, and I'll post another video when it does come out for you guys to play. Okay, sweet.